Once you've logged into your account, one of the first things you need to do is register a credit card to fully enroll in the loyalty program. This saves time on orders, allows you to access all the benefits of Pro Loyalty, and helps organize your payment methods. From your dashboard, select Edit Profile. Once there, navigate to the Payment Methods tab and click on the Create Payment button. Enter your credit card information, use a nickname for easy reference. If this is going to be the card you use most often, check the box labeled Set as my primary payment method. To make sure you get the full benefits of the Lowe's for Pros loyalty program, check to make sure it's already enrolled. When you're done, click the Create Payment button and you're all set. In order to see all your purchase history, you'll want to register any card that may be used at Lowe's. To add additional cards, simply go to the Payment Methods page, click Create Payment, and repeat the process. If you have a saved credit card in your payment methods and it is not enrolled in the Lowe's for Pros loyalty program, go to the Payment Methods page and click on the name of the card you'd like to enroll. A new page will display that card's info. Select the Edit Payment Method link in the upper right and check the Enroll button on that page in order to enroll the card. You can also change any other payment information like nickname, primary card, or expiration date. Once you've enrolled your card and completed any additional updates, click Save. Don't forget to double check and make sure your card is enrolled. That's it, you're all set. Be sure to watch the other how-to videos at lowesforpros.com.